Let's learn how to make a jewelry box using popsicles. Use either colored or plain popsicle sticks for this craft. Other required materials are being shown in the video. Taking a white A4 sheet, fold it into half vertically and cut it from the center. We are going to use only one part of the sheet. Follow the steps as shown in the video. Cover the whole white strip, pasting the popsicle sticks on it. Cut out 2 circles from a piece of cardboard. Make sure to follow all the steps properly. Repeat the same steps on circle 2 as done on circle 1. Cover the circles from both the sides with the black paper. Cover the white strip from the inside part with a black paper. Follow the steps showing how to paste the circles onto the strip. Hold it strongly for a while till the time it's glued. Glue the small side of the popsicles to the 2 circles. Glue it from the other side as shown in the video too. Using a piece of glitter foam sheet, I am creating a flower shape out of it. Use a thread to make the loop. Make a loop now to close the jewelry box. Paste a button or a pom-pom in the lower part to hold the loop. Your beautiful jewelry box is now ready. You can decorate it as per your own wish too. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful jewelry box. Like, share and subscribe for more creative videos. Till then, bye all.